Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Chad Singh. Today it's day 6 of our 20 days challenge English speaking with me that I have taken in front of you all guys. Okay, I hope you all here after watching my all the 5 videos. In that 5 videos, I have told you some amazing phrases which you can use in a daily conversation according to their situation. You can use that phrases, but in this video what I'm gonna tell you some amazing phrases with only one topic, like to appreciate someone. What phrases you can use in this video, I'm gonna tell you that. So yeah, just continue with me till the end of the video. You're gonna love that phrases what I am having for you all guys. Apart from that, let me tell you one thing. I have passed my class 9th. Okay, finally I am in class 10th, and yeah, I have passed my class 9th with some good scores, and finally I'm in class 10. So I'm very excited for my class 10, but little bit nervous also because I'm gonna give my board exam in the next year. Yeah guys, so I'm little bit nervous, but I'm very excited for my next class because it will be my new journey na. No one will see your junior result, whatever result you are having in class 8, 7, 6 or anything. Everyone will see your 10th and 12th results. So just do best in that classes. I'm not saying that you should not give your best in all the junior classes. You have to, because every class is hard for every student. Like whatever the student are having on that time, syllabus are very hard for that student. So you have to give best in each and every classes. But if you are not having, if you are expecting something good marks and you're not getting that, so just be cool, okay? Don't worry, don't be so stressed that, oh, I cannot do anything if I'm not getting this percentage that I have expected in this classes. I will not do anything in the next classes. No, it's not about that. It's totally wrong. You are doing overthinking, or you are very stressed. Don't be that, okay? You have a next option, you have next class, you can do best in this, and then in this class 10th now you have to do best. I'm not giving any lecture because I'm also in class 10, so I'm not able to do that also. If you are in class 10th, you can relate with me guys. So this is all about this. Apart from that, let's come to our main topic. So yeah, let's start with our phrases. Our first phrase is, you have such a radiant smile. This phrase is very beautiful. You can use this phrase to define someone's smile. Like let's take example. Like if someone enters a room and you are getting attracted, you are saying that, oh, she's very beautiful, or he's very good. Her smile is very pretty. Like when she enters in her class, in any room, like this phrase will have all the things. Like when she enters now, she have that confidence, we can feel that confidence she have that, and she gives very positive vibes. And whatever you are trying to say, you can use this phrase to say that. Like you will say, oh, you have such a radiant smile. Okay, it's basically to appreciate someone's smile. You can use this phrase. Yeah, that's all about this phrase. Let's move. So our second phrase is, your beauty is truly captivating. Okay, your beauty is truly captivating. This phrase is very beautiful. You can use this phrase to see everything. Like you're gonna give compliment about their physical appearance, about their smile, positive vibes, or if they are making comfortable to you to talk with them. When you're talking with them, they are making comfortable to you. So you can use this phrase. Like you can say like that, oh, you are truly captivating. Okay, so this phrase is mainly to express, to compliment their personality, physical appearance, and all of that. Whatever you wanna say in one sentence, you can say that. So this is all about this video. This was day 6, and I hope you all are getting whatever I have said in this video. And yeah, with this beautiful phrases, I'm ending this video. Let's meet in the next video, and yeah, best of luck for you all guys. For your next classes, I am giving you all the wishes from my bottom of my heart. All the good wishes from myself. I'm giving you all guys all the best for your next session. Like my session will be also started from 1 of April, and I'm very excited because like classmate will be same, but still the teachers will be changes and the environment will be changes. It was not class 9th and now it will be class 10, so something will change. I'm very excited for that. That's all for this video. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, keep growing, keep smiling, be healthy, always keep smile on your face. And yeah, that's all about this video. Let's meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.